There are seasons in life where words fall short, when pain speaks louder than prayer. You are the only one I love. When the heart feels shattered beyond repair, it's in those quiet, aching moments that this verse becomes a lifeline. Psalm 147:3 isn't just poetry. It's a promise, a whisper from God Himself, that He doesn't overlook pain. He moves toward it. He moves toward you, not to judge, but to heal. You don't have to hide the broken pieces, not from the one who already sees. He doesn't wait for you to be whole. He meets you in the middle of the breaking, binding, not blaming, restoring, not rushing. Your wounds don't disqualify you. They draw Him near, and where the world says, "Get over it," God says, "Let me carry it with you." Let this verse breathe over your soul today. You are not forgotten. You are not alone. You are not beyond healing. The same hands that created the stars are reaching to mend your heart. He heals the brokenhearted ... and binds up their wounds. Take heart, take your time, and let Him begin again in you. If this brought peace to your heart, subscribe for more verses that heal. Let God's promises carry you one breath at a time.